Alright guys, welcome in today. Got a little something different on this type of vlog. I think this is like number 4 or 5 vlog that I've done already. I'm liking these are kind of fun. And I'm liking how you guys are kind of commenting back and forth on seeing some of these projects that you guys have done before. So thank you guys for doing that. While I'm giving a thumbs up, make sure you like that video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I got all sorts of fun stuff on here for all ages and abilities. I don't talk about books too much, but one of my favorite books that I always do for a project for my younger kids, sometimes I do it first grade, sometimes I do it kindergarten, but it is The Dot. The Dot is just a really cool, different book, and obviously it has art as the theme throughout it. It talks about this girl that goes through kind of some frustrations in art class, so I always talk frustrating and being frustrated just in life and in art class. Sometimes kids get frustrated, so it's a good message in that. And then she also ends up being the teacher in the situation in the story. So it's a really cool book. There's also a really good read along to this book. It's called Story Time with Ryan and Craig. They got awesome videos, so shout out to them just for making cool, awesome videos. It reminds me of how I read books to my class or to my kids at night. Some of the things that they add in there is really cool, so check that out. I'll put a link in the description. Shout out to them. So for this project, I do that video of them kind of reading the story so they know the story, and then I do a project where basically I just give them an open sheet of paper and say that they have to create a unique dot. She talks about dots a lot in the book, and it's a good opportunity that I talk about how everybody's unique into themselves, and so I try to challenge them not to make one similar to their neighbor or their project and make it a little bit different than anybody else that's around their table or anybody else in class for that fact. So how I do that is I just set up a whole bunch of supplies. I also give them the option on paint. I really like these using for this project, and especially I really like at kindergarten using these type of paints. But I also set out kind of like skinny markers, thick markers. I do Sharpies, black or just regular colored Sharpies, also oil pastels, colored pencils, crayons, whatever you want. I got a whole bunch of that. I basically just say they got to use 3 tools on this, and some of them turn out really cool. I like this one. This one for some reason kind of made me think of like a monster for someone. Maybe it's kind of like the Monster Inc. kind of colors, but I thought it was awesome. Basically they just have to make their own unique dot, unique to themselves, and then we kind of have a little gallery walk where we walk around class. But I want to show you some of those and just tell you about one of my favorite books for art. So thank you for digging this video. You guys, as always, for viewing this. I am Mr. Schuette. This is Mr. Schuette's Art Channel, and we will talk to you guys later.